consumers have the right to access their data, they have the right to correct their data, the right to delete their data, the right to obtain the data that the consumer has provided to a company, the right to choose against automated decision making, which I know Fred talked about briefly before, but essentially that's the process of making a decision automatically without human intervention. So if you're a consumer and you provided your information to an organization, you can sort of opt out of that automated decision making if that organization is involved in that sort of processing with your personal data. A lot of the state laws provide the opt out of certain processing. So whether that's for the sale, profiling, or sensitive data, and the right to opt in to sensitive data processing. So an organization would not be able to process a consumer's sensitive data without first obtaining sort of that affirmative consent before the processing. Going back to sort of the common obligations that an organization needs to be aware of with respect to transparency, really. I think the takeaway from this whole presentation should be that organizations need to be really transparent about how they're collecting data, how they're processing data, and how they're sharing personal data.